Hi there, my name is Andre John, and welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. The easy way because of the style that I'm going to be using, to teach you. I have been teaching drums for over 30 years. I've traveled to over 20 different nations, playing in different concerts, different types of settings. And what I want to do is to transfer, those skills that I have learned over the years, to anyone out there who are actually willing to learn. And so we're going to be looking at starting from the foundation, very simple steps, and then we're going to climb the ladder as we go along. So we want to begin, first of all, by naming the different parts of the drums. And so this is a basic 5-piece drum set. And we have, first of all, the snare drum. Then we have the hi-hat. Then we have tom-tom 1, tom-tom 2. Then we have the floor tom or tom-tom 3. Then we have the bass drum. Okay, we also have the cymbals. You have the crash and you have the ride crash cymbal. Okay, we also have the pedal that you actually play the bass drum with. You have the pedal for the hi-hat. And we also have your stool or your chair, whatever you choose to use, whatever you are comfortable on. And so we want to remember, all right, you have the snare, hi-hat, tom-tom 1, tom-tom 2, floor tom, all right, bass drum, you have the cymbals, okay, we have the pedals, we have your stool. So that is where we want to begin, because you need to know the different parts of your drum set. So as you start playing, someone might say, okay, give me a roll on the tom-toms. And if you don't know where the tom-toms are, you might roll the snare. Or they might say, okay, give me a beat on the bass drum. And if you don't know where the bass drum is, you might play the cymbals. All right, so it's important that you know the different parts of the drums. So now that we have covered the different parts of this drum set, the second thing we want to cover is holding your stick. And so the pattern that we're going to be using today is match grip. All right, and it's the only one we're actually going to be using, all right, for you as beginners. All right, it's the match grip. So both hands actually match each other. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, and you hold them together. Very, very important. All right, how you hold your stick is very, very important. All right, so now that we have covered naming the different parts of the drums, how you hold your stick, what we're going to look at now is some basic hand exercises. And we're going to start with just playing with our left hand and our right hand on the snare. So for the right hand, we will simply say right, right, or for the left hand, we will say left, left. So let's continue. So we're going to begin with the right hand, and we're going to play the right hand 4 times. We're going to play the left hand 4 times. Okay, so let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand, right, 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 left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right. So I want you to play that over and over and over again, all right? Because you're going to be practicing your wrist to make sure that you work them in as you begin to play the drums. Okay, the second hand exercise we want to do is called single stroke roll. All right, so each hand plays a single stroke. You're going to begin with the right, so it's right, left, right, left. Right, so let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 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 right, left. practicing, all right, your hands. So as we continue, I'm going to be giving you some more hand exercises that are very important as we go along. So we want to begin with the first beat, all right? We want to begin with the first beat. So the major parts of the drums that we're going to be using, all right, for you as beginners, it's the hi-hat, the snare drum, and then the bass drum. So we're going to break this down as simple as possible. So your hi-hat and your bass drum going to be playing on 1 and 3. You're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your hi-hat and your bass drum plays on 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your snare drum plays on 2 and 4. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So that's the end of the first part.